Hello and welcome to another Quickbooks Online tutorial. My name is Enoch Garcia. I'm the founder of Honest Accounting Group, a business management and accounting firm. Today we're going to discuss how to delete an account or restore a deleted account in Quickbooks Online. So number one, we have to find the chart of accounts. Number two, within the chart of accounts, we need to find the account that we want to delete or restore. And under the actions column, we'll make it inactive or active. So let's go into QuickBooks. And there's two ways to get into the chart of accounts. Number one, we hover over the accounting on the left hand side. You see chart of accounts, or up here, the gear icon under your company, chart of accounts. So now that we're in the chart of accounts, let's select one to use as an example. So here I'm going to use fees billed as the example account that we want to make inactive. So I'm going to go to the drop down here, hit make inactive. Are you sure? Yes. So now it is inactive. Let's say that was a mistake, or you want to make it active again. We'll go to the gear icon, include inactive, and here is the account. We just hit make active, and there it is, back to normal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos come out every week. Thank you.